My name is Gary Shambry. I'm the Business Development Director for Winder Controls Australia. We were engaged in a ruck clough project to the overarching safety system and electrical interface of a hoisting system, rather a shaft sinking package. We are doing the complete no-rope commissioning of the system to a point that we then say to our customer that we're happy for them to proceed to the rope-up phase. Then they'll fit the ropes, fit the conveyances, and we'll go to a complete rope-up commissioning stage, ready to go into operation. The challenge that we tried to solve for our client was to complete the commissioning remotely due to the coronavirus pandemic that's prevented us from travelling directly to the mine and doing the commissioning on site. Despite the restrictions to travel and to gathering together, we still need to achieve our customers' deadlines to meet their targets and their dates.
Yeah, I think you've got a fault there on the sub-rate.
Whilst it's preferred that we do the commissioning ourselves face to face, it can be done remotely, interstate, overseas, any location really, whereby you've got somebody on the site to verify what's happening, some CCTV to see what's going on, and being able to network and gain access to the HMIs on site, but also through our software and what we're seeing occur within the hardware and software story. The remote commissioning is completed via our commissioning engineers and design engineers here in our Sydney office, utilising the ruck and clough workforce on site. And then our guys from our side would look into the code and check that all of the functions are working as per the design. And if there needed to be any adjustments or modifications, they can do that and then retest whilst our people are here in Sydney and the site's commissioned overseas. This is new ground for us. We do use remote diagnostics for our service and technicians, service engineers, when we're trying to troubleshoot for customers for an existing operational unit. However, commissioning a brand new system for the first time remotely, i.e. us being in Sydney, Australia, and our customer being in a completely different part of the world, is slightly new. I do feel that the customer's gaining the benefit for the cost reduction. So the cost reduction being is that our people are not living in camp, there's not additional travel, there's not additional costs, so those benefits are gained. The fact that we're small means that we're nimble and that we're more adaptable, more flexible than most of our larger competitors. Which is a benefit to most of our bigger companies that the clients that we use, they reap the benefit of that.